Hey everybody, Bowling Green Bikes here with a bike check of my bike. It is a Taken frame, made, I forget who it's made by, but I got that off my friend. It's got kink, I think they're Kink Solace forks, the Sabrosa Bitchin' headset, Colony stem, and Primo Sam Squanch bars with an 8.5 rise. I've got Duo Bowen grips and Animal Metal bar ends. Just got those. I have a Mission brake lever, a Mission cable, which is hooked up to Odyssey Springfield brakes. I snapped the spring on them the other day, but I had another one, so I put that in there. And here we have a Kink Solace seat and a Kink seat post. Down here there's a brand new Demolition bottom bracket, Salt, cheap ass 8-spline crank arms, stolen Thermalite pedals, Demolition 27 tooth sprocket, a Shadow Conspiracy half-length chain. Back here we've got an E-Claw hub laced to a Colony rim and a Duo Stunner tire with a Black Ops plastic peg on there and a E-Claw hub guard. Those plastic pegs I got the other day, and they actually are holding up really well for just cheapo $12 pegs. And on the front, it's not on here because I stripped out my hub, like on the female axle, so I'm getting the parts to fix that today. But it's a E-Claw hub laced to a Demolition Zero rim. And it's got a Duo Stunner on it too, and same peg. And the metal pegs that I usually run when I'm not running street are Cinemas, which are really nice pegs. And yeah, that's my bike. Bye.